Well, I'm good. I was going to say, that's kind of getting old, huh?
Yeah, it's not funny anymore.
Yeah, it's really not. Stupid. Okay, we're back. She is going to be...
That was funnier.
That was way funnier.
I wish you guys could see this.
I know. Fucking dork. She is now going to make a Dolce Cinnamon Martini.
Dolce.
So you can... Dolce and
Gabbana.
Gabbana. Fendi and Madonna.
Still don't know.
So there's your little ingredients.
Okay, so I already kind of poured everything in here. What you want to do is 2 shots of vodka. Whoa. 1 shot of Kahlua. 1 shot of Irish cream, and then like half a shot of, we got some Cinnamon Dolce to sweeten it up. Skinny.
How much did you drink before you did this? Well, all right then.
So I have my little,
What did you rim your glass with?
Oh yeah. Cinnamon sugar on top.
Gave it a rim job.
Okay. So there's already ice in my shaker. Just gonna pour everything in there so we can shake it up nice. So it's all mixed together. I don't know the proper way to shake this. I'm clearly not a bartender and everything is spilling. We'll clean it up later.
Like 7 shakes or so.
And voila!
That looks pretty.
And there's some more. Maybe we should run another one.
Dan, do you want to be our taster? Not on the martini? What did you say?
Yes.
Oh.
You mentioned alcohol and he said yes.
Yeah. He stubbed his toe. He was running for the martini.
Uh-oh.
You get like 1.5.
Well, we'll do this one for show. This one.
That one can be for when we do the cookies. You guys can drink that one right now.
Save 1 for the cookies and save 1 for now.
So trying that one.
Yeah.
No, try this one.
No, save
Oh.
that one for the cookie, don't you think?
Okay.
Aren't you going to put a cookie on top of it or something? Okay, you got to tell us what you taste.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty strong,
Like
Lot of
alcohol
vodka?
strong?
but it's good. Is that Kahlua?
Yep.
See it.
Yeah.
But it is good.
What else do you taste in there?
It tastes like a
What nationality are you half of?
Irish.
So what else?
Brandy,
No.
Baileys.
Yes.
That's what I was gonna say.
Took him a minute.
There's something
Well, it is
creamy in
pretty
there.
strong.
Irish cream,
But it's good though, huh?
cinnamon dolce. Dolce. We taste it.
Strong but good.
Like my
Did I need to
son.
shake it more?
I'll get some cinnamon on the rim.
Oh, it's quite tasty.
That's fine.
It's not strong to me. Am I an alcoholic, Tori?
No.
Okay, when we come back, her cookies will be ready, and we'll present both together. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Next week, I'm going to be doing cranberry, white chocolate macadamia nut cookies with a cranberry martini. So these are holiday things that we're getting you prepared for. Tune in, share with your friends, subscribe.